Is it recording or? Oh yeah. Hi, it's Mike. I'm just kind of making a video to show you that I've got a camcorder now. I guess. Don't know how I'm gonna show you though, because I'm actually using it to record me. So I don't know how I'll actually show you. I didn't actually have anything planned really. Oh, no, you well, stay. You're obviously going to stay there, but I'll try and figure out a way to show you. Okay. I guess welcome back. As you can see, well, now you can see, I'm like using a mirror. Using a mirror to show you that I actually have a camcorder. There you go. That's the camcorder. I'll display it. Ooh. And if I was to put this on, you can't see anymore. That's the screen just there, which you can't actually see unless I hold it back in. There you go. There's the screen, and that's me again. Really, that's the camera. I can't actually show you any other angle because it just shows you around the outside. So, well, that's it really. Bye, I guess, really. Right, is it finished recording yet? Let's try and... Oh, it's made a noise. How to... Not sure how you turn it off. Is there a button somewhere? I don't know if it's... maybe if I... Right. Don't know how to turn it off actually. Wait, oh, hang on. There is. Bye.